Hi children, my name is Pravalika. I am a staff of Montessori Group of School. Today onwards I am your EVS teacher. Okay, hope you are all fine and by the way you have all enjoyed your holidays, Dasra holidays. Yes or no? I think you all have written the exams well, FA1 exams. Okay, in FA1 exam you have completed two lessons, that is Hey, It Is Me and Our Body. Yes or no? You have completed these two lessons. Now moving on to SA1 syllabus, SA1 exams. The SA1 exams will be conducted on first week of December. SA1 exams first week of December. Maybe you will have exams. In this SA1 exam, you have again two chapters. That is third and fourth. Okay. Now the lesson third is our sense organ. Lesson 4, what we eat. Okay, these two lessons will be in your SA1 exams. SA1 exams, you have these two lessons. That is, the page numbers are like this. 11 to page numbers are 11 to 21, up to 11th page to 21 page. Okay, now you have to forget everything. The celebrations are completed, examinations are completed. Now you have to concentrate. You have to more and more concentrate on your studies, because you are going to write SA1 exams. Yes or no? SA1 exams. So you have to take more concentration by watching, to study, to take more concentration, not to play. Okay, you have to watch your videos and you have to attend. Now you are newly starting our online classes, online live classes. No, you have to attend the live classes and you have to watch your videos and do the homework. Okay, now everything you have to forget and you have to focus on your studies. Okay, now in in previous class you have Hey, It Is Me means that is the lesson is belong to your self introduction. What is your name, what is your father's name, and where do you live? All these things in first chapter you have first lesson you have completed. Now second lesson, our body. Our body has how many parts? Two parts, upper body part and lower body part. Upper body part and upper body part, upper body part and lower body part. Okay, I think you have one question and answers. No, tell me what are the upper body part means. What you have written? Head, neck. Yes or no? Example, for example, head and neck. How many body parts means? Two body parts, that is upper body part and lower body part. Upper body part and lower body part. In upper body part you have face, head, neck. Okay, lower body part means stomach, legs, elbow, knees, foot, etc. Yes or no? Now in the upper body part mainly we have what? Mainly head, mainly our face, that means head. The head consists of this one. What head consists of? Forehead, eyes. See, forehead, eyes, ears, chin, nose, teeth, tongue. These all are the parts of stomach. Not. These all are the parts of face, means head, and hair also. Okay. What are the parts here? Forehead, eye, ear, chin, nose, teeth, tongue. Okay. Now this is our entire body. This is the entire body. What is this one here? Neck, shoulder, elbow, hands. Everyone have how many hands? Everyone have how many hands? 5 hands. How many hands we have? 2 hands. How many hands? We have 2 hands. For the 2 hands, how many fingers we have? 5 fingers or 10 fingers? 5 fingers. Some will have 6 fingers also. Yes or no? And how many legs legs we have? 2 legs. How many legs we have? 2 legs. Yes or no? In our body, okay, this is outer. We can see this is the this is body and this is outside. We are seeing that eyes, eyebrows. These are visible to everyone. But inner body parts means what are the inner body parts? Tell me, inner body parts means what? What are the inner body parts? Heart, lungs, liver, stomach. Can you see my heart? Can you see my liver? Can you see my stomach? No, it is not visible. You can see my face. Yes or no? You can see my hands and fingers also. No, you can see my eyes also. You can see my hair, but you cannot see my heart. You cannot see my stomach. You cannot see my nerves. Yes or no? Nerves. You cannot see my bones. Yes or no? How many bones we have? How many bones we have? We have 206. How many bones? 206. These 206 bones are for all we have 206 bones. But newly born babies have around 300 bones. 300 bones a newly baby has. Okay, we all are having 206. How many bones we have? This is very important question. You have to keep it in mind for long. How many bones we have means what you have to tell? 206. A newly born baby has 300. A newly born baby has 300 bones. Okay. Now why I am saying all these things means you have I am revising. Just I am revising because you have engaged in these 4 days in celebration. So that I am revising once again. Okay. Now next coming topic is also related to this only. The coming topic is next lesson also based on this only. So that I am revising again once. Okay. We have upper body 2 parts, that is upper body part and lower body part. How many bones we have? 206. A newly born baby has 300 bones. In upper body part we have this forehead, head, neck, face, and in the head part we have forehead, eyes, ears, chin, nose, teeth, tongue. Okay. Now you know what are the body parts and what is outside body parts and the inside body parts. You have known randomly. You have known. But coming to today's topic is sense organs. What is mean by sense organs? You all are having 10 sense organs. How many sense organs you have? Tell me. How many sense organs? 10 sense organs. How many sense organs? Tell me. We have 5 sense organs. This is our third lesson. Our third lesson is our sense organs. Our sense organs. Okay. Our sense organs. Our third unit, our sense organs. Normally, a human being has how many sense organs? 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. All are having 5 sense organs, not 10 or 11, 20 like that. Okay. 5 sense organs all are having. Some of them having 6th sense. By guessing, today happen, this will happen, that thing happen. That is our imagination. Okay. Now, basically, a human being has 5 sense organs. Okay. What are the sense organs? Tell me. Is sense organ is useful to us? Without sense organ we can live? Yeah, sense organ is very important. Without that we cannot live. Okay. What are the sense organ? Tell me. Eyes, ears, daily livelihood, we have to use these five sense organs. What is the use of the eyes? What is the use of the eyes? To see the things around us. Without the eyes, we can live? No, we cannot live. We can live, but we cannot see. Okay, we can live, but we cannot see the things around. So, eyes is very important to us. Next, ears. What is the use of the ears? To hear something. Now how you are receiving my class? Through the ears or through the eyes or through the nose? How you are receiving? What I am telling? How you can listen? By the use of ears. By the ears you are hearing. You are seeing me through your eyes, but not through your ears. You are listening. You are hearing through your ears. So next one, nose. What is the use of the nose? Nose is used to smell or breathe. We have breathing like this. Through the nose only we are breathing, not through our eyes or ears, not through our mouth. While breathing we use the nose, and to smell whether it is the good or whether it is the bad. How we are getting this is bad smell, this is nice smell, this is good smell? Through the nose. Through the nose we are smelling or we are breathing. We have to take oxygen through our nose only, no? Like this. Yes or no? Now next, tongue. Tongue is used to taste. Tongue is used to taste the things, whether the food is tasty or whether the food is bad, if your mommy cooks anything, the chili powder is high or salt is less, by using our tongue, by anything your mommy prepares and mommy gives to you, how you will take that and you will lick that in the, and you will put on the tongue itself. No, by that time we can say this is delicious or not. Yes or no? Now next, skin. Skin is to feel. If I give one slab on your face, how you can sense that feeling? With the help of the skin. If I pinch or if I give something on your hand, how the feeling will by the skin we can feel it. The skin is used to feel, and the skin is used to absorb that heat and cold. The feelings will be on the skin. Without the skin we cannot feel anything. We cannot feel what hotness or coldness. Okay, any sensation will not be done. With the help of the skin only we can sense the sensation. What is this? Now this is winter season. We are cool. With the help of the feeling, with the help of the skin. Yes, so the skin absorbs everything and we will get that feeling. Okay. Now, how many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. What are they? This is one question. It will come in the exam. How many sense organs? We have 5 sense organs. That time what you have to write? We have 5 sense organs. What are they means? They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Okay. All of you tell me how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Okay. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-A-R-S. Ears. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. S-K-I-N. Skin. Eyes, 5 sense organs. How many sense organs? We have 5 sense organs. Next, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Practice this for 3 times. Okay, this will be one question and answer for you. Okay, in coming classes and coming days, I will explain briefly what is the use of the eyes, how we have to protect, and what is the use of the ears, how you have to protect, and what is the use of the nose, how you have to protect, and tongue, and by the way skin. In coming days, I will explain one each and every briefly. Okay, and practice this for 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Okay. Thank you all. We will meet in the next class. I hope you all have a good day. You have a good day.